Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Home Assistant for local smart home automation, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Home Assistant for local smart home automation, start by gathering the necessary hardware. You will need a compatible device, such as a Raspberry Pi, to host Home Assistant. Next, download the Home Assistant image from the official website. After completing the download, flash the image onto an SD card using software like Balena Etcher. Insert the SD card into your Raspberry Pi and connect it to your home network via an Ethernet cable for stability. Power on the Raspberry Pi and wait a few minutes for the system to fully boot. Once it's booted, open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. In the address bar, type http://homeassistant.local8123 to access the Home Assistant interface. If the local address does not work, try finding the IP address of the Raspberry Pi from your router's. Once you reach the Home Assistant onboarding page, complete the initial setup by creating an account. After setting up your account, you'll be prompted to configure your location and time zone. Next, it's time to add devices to your Home Assistant ecosystem. Use the Integrations section in the user interface to search for the smart devices you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect each device to Home Assistant. Once devices are connected, explore the Automations feature to create custom routines. Set conditions, triggers, and actions based on your smart device's capabilities. After creating your automations, test them to ensure they work as expected. You can also customize the dashboard to display your most used controls and sensors. Regularly update Home Assistant to ensure optimal performance and security. Now you have a fully functional local smart home automation system with Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.